Hello and welcome to another tiny tutorial. I want to demonstrate something we call the print multiple block. And so we'll go to communicate and under terminal, it's this block right here that says terminal print but looks bigger than the rest. And the reason we call it the print multiple block is because when you click this gear icon, it allows you to add a bunch of different stuff. And so if you're following along with me, let's do this. So we're going to start with text and then a decimal number, and we'll do another text, this time a hexadecimal number, and then a little more text. And you see as I drag these in here, it keeps adding inputs. So now let's do a binary number, and let's stick with that. So go ahead and click on the gear here, close that window. Now what we're going to do is add text to the first line that says it. Let's type this, the number, we'll add a space, and now let's pick a variable. Attach it at the top here. Let's name this my number. And with my number, we are just simply going to grab under operators numbers a random number between 0 and 100. So that's what'll go into my number. And now let's print my number. So we'll say the number, my number. And let's duplicate this. So we'll right click, duplicate. And then since we printed a number, we can add a space and say in hexadecimal is, add another space. We'll just put my number again. So we'll duplicate this. And now let's put the text again. So what it's doing, the number, and it's going to print the decimal version in hexadecimal is, and then it'll print the hexadecimal version of the number. And now let's do, we'll type another space, and in binary is, and a space, and we'll put the number one more time. Then we'll check this new line box so that the next time it prints again on a new line. And we're going to add two more blocks. We'll make it pause, we'll make it wait 1 second before it does this again, and since we want it to repeat, we'll wrap the whole thing in repeat forever. And when I run this, let's see what we get. The number 5 in hexadecimal and 5 in binary is 101. 82 in hexadecimal is 52, and in binary is 101. And you can see that it's just generating random numbers and then showing us what the hexadecimal version is and what the binary version is. And so this is a way to print both text and numbers in different formats all on the same line. Hopefully you find that helpful. It's a neat little block that lets you do some pretty fancy stuff with a terminal. So enjoy.